viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to look at the equation of a circle, center, origin. So we are given an example over here. Find the equation of a circle, center, origin. This is where x is 0 and y is 0, okay? And passing through 3, 4. So guys, before we start solving this equation, I want to remind you something. If this is the Cartesian plane and this is x-axis, this is y-axis, then this point here is what we are calling center, origin, where the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 0. Okay guys? Now, we are talking of a circle whereby origin will be the center, then this one will be the radius. At this point, we can call this point point P. Now we want to give it coordinates. So for the x-axis, it will be x, and for the y-axis, because if you look at this, vertical axis is y. So, and this triangle is 90 at point, probably we can call it point N. Now, if this is the case, then OP is the radius, and then we have ON and NP. Now, if we can remember, using Pythagoras theorem, OP squared is equals ON squared, because this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, rectangle triangle at N. So OP squared will be ON squared plus NP squared. NP squared. Now OP squared is R unit. OP squared is R squared. If you look at ON, and we know this is the point where x is 0, and the x is increasing as we progress. As we approach N, x is increasing. So up to N, the value of ON is x, because we know the coordinate of P is x. So it means from 0 to N is x units. And if we do the same with the y-axis, from this point, the value of x is 0 and it is increasing as it approaches this point P. So this distance over here is y unit. And remember, from here to this point is equals from N to P. So this side will be y unit. So if this is R squared, then ON is the same as x squared. NP, it's y, so it is NP squared is y squared. So generally, that is the equation of a circle, of any circle, center O, passing through any point x, y. So now that our question is asking us to find the equation of a circle, center, origin, and is passing through 3, 4, this point. So in our case, the point P is now 3, 4. So what it means in this question, we are, for the part of tackling this kind of an equation or of a problem, we need to sketch. We need to sketch our circle. So this is our circle. Center is the origin. This is the radius, and this is O, where the values of x and y are 0, and this side is 3, this side is 4. This is a right-angled triangle. This is R. For us now to find the equation of this circle, we are talking about, we have first of all to find r. And knowing that r is the hypotenuse, we know that r is equals, now this side squared plus this other side squared will be 3 squared plus 4 squared, then we find the square root, guys. So this one will be 9 plus 16 square root. That means r is the square root of 25, which 9 plus 16 is 25, guys. And therefore, this is 5. So, the equation of this circle, therefore, passing through any point, arbitrary point x, y, now that we know r is equals 5, shall be x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. So that is the required equation.
Thank you so very much for finding time to watch my video. Join the family of Making Mathematics and Biology a Booster subject by hitting the subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. See you in the next tutorial. Bye. Love you.